I'm just filming the hummingbirds by my back porch here that are trying to feed during the hurricane. And as you can see, they're flying around. They get real close and fly up to you. And during these hurricanes, they come around a lot and they look for a lot of food. And they'll be fighting for it pretty soon as it gets toward dark. We got one here right now. I'm sitting down watching it. Anyway, I'm at 401 St. Jude Street in Waverly, Mississippi while Hurricane Ivan's going on. Hummingbirds flying around, as you can see right there. And there's another one.